Welcome to this introductory course on solar and battery energy storage systems operations and maintenance. My name's Amanda Bybee, and I'm with the Amicus O&M Cooperative. We were founded in 2016 to help our member companies address the lack of standardization and how we approached operations and maintenance field services. This training is an extension of that, and we're very pleased now to share it with the rest of the world. The training also aligns with a new American national standard published by the Solar Energy Industries Association. Its official title is the SEIA 301 Solar and Energy Storage Operations and Maintenance Standard Technician Training. It represents for the very first time a consensus among our industry about how to define a 4-level technician framework, starting with an entry-level Tech 1 going up through an advanced level Tech 4. In the standard, it outlines core activities that technicians need to learn at each level, as well as the competencies to evaluate at the end, so that they are ready to graduate to the next level. This particular course is designed for entry-level solar and energy storage O&M technicians, but it may also be interesting for an installer who's looking to make the move over into solar O&M, or for a senior technician whose job responsibilities include training the junior techs. It's helpful to understand what your trainee has been learning so that you can reinforce it when you do on-the-job training out in the field. Whatever your background, we hope you enjoy the course, and we look forward to your feedback at the end.